Bunche. The high time. Normal high time. You look at that and do you think low tide is starting? I don't think so. What do you think? Is the tide starting? Do you think the tide is low tide starting?
I think it's coming in.
Yeah.
But that's based on next to nothing. I don't really, it's not functional, I guess.
Okay. Well, that's kind of a super quick low tide.
Yeah. Well, that's what I mean. If it was at low tide, then it has to be coming in. If it was a low tide when you sailed.
It's the smallest one now, but that is kind of a lot later. This is high tide, very in low tide. Look at a bird, a great blue heron, see it? On the island, over there, see it? See that great blue heron on the island over there? Very good. Maybe it is a star, we just don't know.
I literally don't know. I mean, we don't know, maybe you misread the tide thing, maybe you saw one of the different dates.
No, I didn't. Don't walk to over there, or it might just stop. No.
Great Blue's gonna wait for us to walk there, but we can walk there.
I think they go close and they can visit on the calendar. I just gotta go on it. They get close and I can go on the camera. Yeah, really good to me though. See the brown pelican? Well, I got that one. Well, and they go closer. This thing getting deep.
I don't think it's gonna get very much deeper.
Okay.
Pretty sure.
Closer. Regardless, it's going to say like a minute on that because the tide's going in very quickly. We only say like a minute on that. I feel like a minute, I mean that because the tide's coming and the dawn can stop. Let's go on that side so it don't get scary. Nice. That's a minute then. Help. Let's go over here now so it's scared, okay? I was trying to fall from us. There you go. Hey y'all, fuck it, here y'all. Hey y'all. Down right here, thanks. A St. Carlos Great blue heron. It's huge. Just don't get past me, thanks. Great blue heron. No places to go. I'm ready to turn around.
You should see if it lets you get closer.
No. You're just scared.
And you could probably tell by its body language. It would give you a signal before you had gotten too close. And you could stop there. I highly doubt it would just fly away.
Which I'm also to click had to kiss preserve tomorrow. But I don't need to come here tomorrow. Thank you. Let's see. I'm slipped. Yeah, high tide, especially the high tide. With the big 5,000. No, I said, like, this way. We're going to get this way. I know it's going to be a low tide, but okay, that is the quickest tide ever.
Come up.
Come on.
I almost like left like some kind of marker like I did that one time to check. But I don't think that's necessary because I think it's coming in so fast it's obvious when you get up to that place where it turns. It'll be clear that the tide's coming in.
Now it is camera. can't back ahead of you while I walk ahead of you. I think it's time to go back to my flowers over there.
Where are you at?
I think it's lower over there. You can show me.
Well, I could like stick a around while we're walking by the time like it would be time for me to say see. We won't be able to see the stick anymore. What I was gonna do when we came in was stick a stick in the ground. That's what I should have done because we would be coming to it right about this area here. Now that we're here, I'm starting to think maybe it's not changed very much, one way or the other.
I think it's getting lower.
Yeah, maybe. I remember thinking that it wasn't up to the trees.
I think I was slow over here then.
Yeah.
I remember this. It's not in the ground. Nothing over there. Right. I'm going to pause it and get a little time.
Okay.
This book's here. Happy birthday. Dear Peter birthday. Peter!
Very pretty.
You remember I've been a little tight here earlier? I can actually go. Excuse me. That's like you said.
Yeah, but I wasn't saying you should do that. I was saying that's what I think everyone should do. I think it's like a weird tradition that you sneeze and someone else does something to you. Every other thing, excuse me, and all of a sudden everybody's like, oh, bless you. No, don't start saying excuse me after you sneeze. Everybody will think you're weird. Nobody does that. That's the way I think things should be.
No, close to that. Am I being a little tight over here? I don't. I don't think there's. I think it is a little tight.
You think the tide is going out right now?
I don't remember any of this stuff here being a little tight. you.